Hey everyone, welcome to Webhose Cyber video blogs. My name is Noah, I'm a senior cyber analyst, and today we'll talk about different structures of data that can be found in the Cyber API. We'll talk about three different types: structured data, unstructured data, and data retrieved from chat applications. So structured data can be filtered by using the filter isStructuredTrue, as we can see right now on the screen. It is retrieved from domains which are crawled by a customized parser. This means all the text in the post will appear under the text field, the author in the author field, and all other details will appear in the respective fields. Unstructured data, on the other hand, can be filtered by using the filter isStructuredFalse, as you can see right here on the screen. It is retrieved from domains that are crawled by a scanner. This means that the entire text that is found in the web page HTML is indexed under the text field. The main advantage for this crawling method is that it can jump quickly and easily between links and cover a lot of sites easily and quickly. Data retrieved from chatting applications can be filtered by using the filter Site Type Chat, as appears right here on the screen. In data retrieved from chatting applications, such as Telegram, we collect up to 20 messages and unite them into one Cyber API post. As you can see in the example here, we have more than one author for this Cyber API post because it contains up to 20 messages from a Telegram chat. As you can see marked on the screen, we have a few posts from the same user. For each message in this Cyber API post, we have a publish date that is unique specifically for this message. The publish that appears on the entire post in the Cyber API is correlated with the publish time of the first message that appears in the batch. So today we talked about different structures of data that can be found in Webhose Cyber API. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned new things about the data we provide.